So I saw a headline that said Hunter Biden's attorneys slam prosecutors for mistaking a picture of sawdust for cocaine. And I said to myself, I've done a lot of drugs in my lifetime and I've drank a whole lot of alcohol. And at no point have I ever mistook sawdust for cocaine. But when I read that headline, I said, man, did they ever just give me a country song? So here it goes. I don't take my orders from the Kremlin. You won't hear me praising Moscow. And I don't sit around scared and trembling over boogeymen nowhere to be found. I may not be the best or the brightest. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. But I don't pin my faith to the coattails of every word some politician says. 'Cause I know shit from Shinola, and I can tell a mist from the rain. And even though they took it out of cola, I know the difference between sawdust and cocaine. I will pay double for my groceries. I'll gladly return my shopping cart before I let the fascists take it over and put a dagger right through my country's heart. I won't give the microphone to hatred. I won't sit and listen to their spill. And I will never be dedicated to help a billionaire with his legal bills. 'Cause I know shit from Shinola, and I can tell a mist from the rain. And even though they took it out of cola, I know the difference between sawdust and cocaine. I know the difference between sawdust and cocaine.